Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths Made Easy. So let's continue with our topic on multiple angles part 7. So today let's begin with question number 35. In question number 35 we have sine power 4 theta is equal to 1 over 8 in bracket 3 minus 4 cos 2 theta plus cos 4 theta. So we'll begin with left hand side. In left hand side we have sine power 4 theta, which we can write as sine square theta whole square, and then we'll multiply within the bracket by 2 and divide by 2. That is what we have done over here. We have multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. After all, 2 and 2 cancel, the same thing comes. Everything is balanced. And then in next line, the square of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. The square is for both. The square is for 1 by 2 as well as the square is for 2 sine square theta. So the square of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. So we have brought 1 by 4 out of bracket. Now inside bracket we are left with 2 sine square theta whole square. I hope this is clear. Then in next line, this 1 by 4 copied as it is. Now this 2 sine square theta. Again let's recall back the formula. We have learned cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So on rearranging we get 2 sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So instead of 2 sine square theta, we have mentioned 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay, thereafter this 1 by 4 is copied as it is. Now inside the bracket, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Again, a minus b whole square. So the formula for a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we'll apply this formula over here. So it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Thereafter 1 by 4 as it is, square of 1 is 1, 2 into 1 into cos 2 theta is 2 cos 2 theta plus as it is. Again this term will multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So we have multiplied by 2 and divide by 2. Again 2 and 2 cancel, same thing comes. Okay. Thereafter in next line, 1 by 4 as it is, 1 minus 2 cos 2 theta as it is, plus as it is, this 1 by 2 also 1 as it is. Now we have 2 cos square 2 theta, 2 cos square 2 theta. Again we know cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. We can arrange it and write it as 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. But if we have 2 cos squared 2 theta, then we should write here 1 plus cos 4 theta. Here is theta, double of theta is 2 theta. So here is 2 theta and double of 2 theta is 4 theta. I hope this is clear to you. So ultimately 2 cos square 2 theta is equal to 1 plus cos 4 theta. That's why instead of 2 cos square 2 theta, we have mentioned 1 plus cos 4 theta. Okay, so in next line, 1 by 4 as it is, we can assume here 1. We can assume here 1. The LCM of 1, 1 and 2 is 2. So on taking LCM and simplifying, we'll get this one. Okay, so after this 1 by 4 as it is, this 2 which is in denominator, we can bring it out and mention as 1 over 2. And then within the bracket in numerator we have 2 plus 1, that is 3, and then minus 4 cos 2 theta and plus cos 4 theta. It is copied as it is. And then here 1 into 1 is 1, 4 into 2 is 8. Within the bracket whatever is there we have mentioned as it is. Okay, so which is equal to our right hand side. So this is proved. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's go to next question. Question number 36. Question number 36 is cos power 4a is equal to 1 over 8. In bracket we have 3 plus 4 cos 2a plus cos 4a. This question 36 is similar to question number 35. So please try it on your own. Now let's go to question number 37. In question number 37, we have cos pi over 7 into cos 2 pi over 7 into cos 4 pi over 7 is equal to minus 1 over 8. This question is similar to question number 34 of part 6. So please visit my part 6 for better understanding. Now question number 38. In question number 38, we have sine 4a is equal to 4 sine a into cos cube a minus 4 cos a into sine cube a. So to do this question, we will begin with left hand side. In left hand side, we have sine 4a. We can write the sine 4a as sine 2 into 2a. So we have formula for sine 2 theta. It is 2 sine theta into cos theta. Thereafter, what we do is this 2 copied as it is, and the sine 2a. Sine 2a is 2 sine a into cos a. I repeat, sine 2a is 2 sine a into cos a. This into as it is, and again cos 2a. We have the formula for cos 2a as cos square a minus sin square a. Cos 2a as cos square a minus sin square a. Thereafter, what we do is, in next line, 2 into 2 is 4. 4 sin a into cos a, and inside bracket copied as it is. Then we will open the bracket. So this 4 sin a cos a will multiply cos square a as well as sin square a. So first of all, 4 sin a into cos a into cos square a is 4 sin a into cos cube a, and then 4 sin a into cos a will multiply sin square a, and we will get 4 sin cube a into cos a, which is equal to right hand side proved. Now let's go to question number 39. In question number 39, we have cos 4a is equal to 1 minus 8 cos square a plus 8 cos power 4a. This question is similar to question number 38. So please try this on your own. Okay, now let's go to question number 40. In question number 40, we have inside bracket 1 plus sine 2 theta plus cos 2 theta whole square is equal to 4 cos square theta in bracket 1 plus sine 2 theta. So as usual, we'll begin with left hand side. In left hand side, we have 1 plus sine 2 theta plus cos 2 theta whole square. Okay, now let's recall back the formula. We have learned a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we will apply this formula in this number. So we have copied left hand side, and then what we will do is we will assume 1 plus sine 2 theta as a plus cos 2 theta as b. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So our formula is a square plus 2a into b plus this is b square. Thereafter, in next line, it is again in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, and remaining terms are copied as they are. Am I clear? Okay, then the square of 1 is 1. 2 into 1 into sine 2 theta is 2 sine 2 theta plus as it is. Am I clear? I hope you don't have any confusion. Now here we have sine square 2 theta, and here is cos square 2 theta. The sine square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta is 1. We have copied. We have written here 1, and then this remaining term we have copied as it is. Thereafter, in next line, here is 1, here is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 sine 2 theta copied, and remaining terms copied. Thereafter, in next line, in these two terms we have 2 and 2 common. So 2 is common. Inside bracket we have 1 plus sine 2 theta left, and remaining terms copied. Okay, Thereafter, again you can check over here. Here is also 2 in bracket 1 plus sine 2 theta, and here is also 2 in bracket 1 plus sine 2 theta. So this term is common in both. If we have a condition a plus ab, then we take a common, and in bracket we have 1 plus b left. Same concept over here. We will take this common. So this 2 1 plus sine 2 theta is common, just like a is common. Thereafter, inside bracket we have 1 plus b. So inside bracket we have 1 plus b. Is this clear? Okay. And then what we do is this 2 1 plus sine 2 theta copied as it is. Now 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. How? Because we know cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. This minus 1 can be brought this side. So it is 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. So instead of 1 plus cos 2 theta, we can mention 2 cos square theta. So 1 plus cos 2 theta as 2 cos square theta. Are we clear? Okay. Then this 2 into 2 is 4. This cos square theta is kept at front, and this 1 plus sine 2 theta is kept at last, which is equal to our right hand side proved. Hope this is understood. Now let's go to next question. Question number 41. In question number 41, we have in left hand side sine a minus square root of 1 plus sine 2a over cos a minus square root of 1 plus sine 2a, which is equal to cot a. So we'll begin with left hand side. Left hand side is copied. Thereafter, this numerator sine a is copied as it is, minus as it is. Now square root we have copied. This 1 means sine square a plus cos square a. We have replaced this 1 by sine square a by cos square a, plus as it is. Now sine 2a is 2 sine a into cos a. So this is of numerator. Now in denominator we have cos a copied as it is, minus as it is, square root as it is, again 1. This 1 is again sine square a plus cos square a. This plus as it is, sine 2a is 2 sine a into cos a. Thereafter, again in next line, the numerator sine a copied as it is, minus as it is, square root. Now if you look carefully, inside square root we have a formula. It is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. I repeat, a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means sin a plus cos a whole square. Same thing is in denominator. Cos a is copied, minus as it is. Now square root. And inside bracket, inside square root we have sin square a plus cos square a plus 2 sin a into cos a, which is again sin a plus cos a whole square. Am I clear? Okay. So in next line then, sin a copied as it is, minus, before taking minus, just look, square and root cancel. Square and root cancelled. Then we will have sin a plus cos a, but because of this minus, we should write here minus sin a and minus plus minus cos a. Similarly in denominator, cos a is copied as it is, square and root cancelled. Because of this minus, we should write here minus plus minus sin a, minus plus minus cos a. So I hope this is clear. And thereafter, in next line, in next step, here is plus sin a, here is minus sin a. They will cancel each other. Then we are left with minus cos a. Copied. In denominator, plus cos a minus cos a will cancel. Minus sin a is left, which is copied. So again, this minus minus cancelled. We are left with cos a over sin a, which is equal to cot a, which is equal to right hand side proved. I hope you have understood this problem as well. So at last, I request you to like my videos and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you.